Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for always coming back. And if this is your first time to this channel, you're welcome. I would appreciate it if you click on the subscribe button down below. So in today's video, I'll show you guys how I did that spicy ponytail style. After I oiled my hair and scalp, I put my hair in two sections. Then I applied Eco Styler gel and combed through to distribute the gel. Then I put that part in a bun with an elastic band. Then I cut out a small section in front just like this. Then I kept this part aside and tried to work on the other section in smaller parts. Does that make sense? Anyways, I tried to put the remaining part of my hair in a bun to connect the first one I did at the back. I did this by applying gel and sometimes sprayed water because my hair was dried. My hair hardly retains moisture, so I applied gel to smaller parts and tried to connect it to the main bone at the back. Then I divided the front hair I cut out before into 2 equal halves, and then I divided each half into 3, making it 6 in total. Then I used Cantu edge gel to smooth out the edges, and then used tiny rubber bands to hold it at the roots. Then I connected this smaller part, I think in a zigzag manner, just like this. Then I applied a small amount of gel to the extra hair I had left and tried to connect it to the main bun. Then I used the scarf to tie it and allowed it to dry. I use this crochet from Expression. It has 2 small packs inside that came in with 3 strands each. That's making it 6 strands in a pack. I used 2 packs. Then I use my fingers to separate the curls. Then I placed one of the packs from the back. My bun wasn't actually very dried here. That's the reason why the white stuff was showing. Then the other part I placed from the front and just flipped it over. Like this, the bun is already covered. You don't have to do anything extra. But then I took a small piece and just wrapped around the bun to secure it, and I used bobby pins to hold the leftover. Then I used a braid jewelry for this part. So guys, this is actually the final result for this hairstyle. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of this video, and I hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.